Okay, now I must. It's all right, though. People will go protest for Adamu House. People will go Adamu House, go protest to say no to God for that reason. To say no to one man dictating the fate of Edo people. They went for peaceful protest. For that, let me say, as they do the peaceful protest, they lose God. Because most of these people, they know the thing. You understand? The reason why make Adamu they complain now be say the real key players, the men will act the film for them, that they now come loyal to governor. People like us, we not Adamu men before now. For years we be Adamu men, but right now we don't tell us say, hey, you don't do your own 8 years. Come up for road. Make another person complete 8 years. If Obaseki also do your 8 years now, come on.
Yes, God bless you. I am here.
This
I heard that
governor will not feel.
I heard
it. Become president, or vice president, or maybe minister of finance. Because they that.
A week wide boom woman. Aro ego na yiku. O ego na yizi no for. Aware bat emite know your base or Ruvira Vige. I have told the governor people where any day number to will be Ladian Tebome, one governor Henry. But today, ya dying, but even message they are sent to Obaseki. Clear message to Governor Godwin Obaseki. I have a clear message. So I need you people to go. You go and tell about that Mega Comrade is online right now, live. Go and tell about I am online right now, live. Obaseki every win a re-election. Every sunu. Or sunu illa Nigeria. Our every sunu abati and sile na in a re-election of Obaseki. Or my ego or that beer. Or my go why making a hege or me and you on our you with guasele. Or me and Yahoo on our you with guasele. Share this video. Why are tiari? Come here. Why if I tell what to what here about? Destiny. What here? What am I on all day? What are they? People like us. We not Adamu men before now. For years we be Adamu men, but right now we don't tell us hey, you don't do your own 8 years. Come up for road. Make another person complete 8 years. If Obaseki also do your 8 years now, come on, we're gonna say, bye bye. This state no go for that reason. Governor go also face in your own business. Either as you go, either you will become president or vice president or maybe minister of finance. Because the area be that. And you know we will try. You know we will try to control the next governor when they come. That's so Edo be. Other state need to copy from us. So those see your Obaseki. Yes, this survey.
They only allow.
Yes,
they only allow. Also, when you go to talk, say, now so them Kabaka may or they all shoot them. They all roll. They all begin to push it. Don't lie. Hey, don't see. The men they act governor fully act Obaseki thing. They be generous. When you say generous, man, people will go protest that day. We go protest for that place. They be generous. Obviously generous. They be generous for the game. Many of them don't fair walk. They don't fair follow someone they wrong things. They don't follow someone they walk. Either as former this or former this. They don't even follow Adamu road things. So also when they turn oh boo boo yeah. They just give you fake story. People will go protest. They don't really protest come out. Richards they snore. When other people come road go Adamu national. We heard that some people came to protest. Where are they? Ogaga. If you watch that video where Adamu was addressing those people he referred to as infantry wing of APC. If you watch those video, go back and watch the video. You don't go see familiar face.
Yeah,
they all I'm
on Facebook.
All those Lema just like they collect money for Ring Road. They all gather there for Ring Road. They say, why if you're Lema, if you're Abun? Because once the people many, Adamu will bring, the more the crowd, the more the money where Adamu will take demobilize. The last time, when you protest is so what they have snow. When are they? Before Adamu could address here. Oh, it's 2 years. When we Sunuyi, where me will love you. Where me the Boston will love you. Where me have some generals. The ate film now. Yeah, I love video. Yeah, president go quiet. Everyone is so oh man, be also. Oh man, go so. I mean, we are all this solar there. Where me are solar here via Facebook via here. Okay, don't be out the my solar there. So, amigo, it been your work. We will continue. The truth of the matter is, yesterday the governor was in Dangote's new refinery. So, yes, the seaport. Yesterday, last year, he was there with Dangote. He had discussing how to link that seaport to Gelegele. And that discussion not there. I haven't seen the boy. No win now. The revenue are already.
So, brothers and sisters. This is Mega Comrade once again. I am out because I am out. I don't want you to listen. If you come here and misbehave, you are out. You are out. You are out.
So, Abat, we catch you, we will shoot you. Abat, we know your house. Abat, this one. Makaya, le kabakata. We are mamu yawa. You only the boom mejo. We are mamu yawa. Me wakaya. Okio a elele today. Makaya le kawale chatting. Unu yaye. Unu. Watch out. Do what they mama gule buwa. My station. How many men of my station I complain where my station repressor is automatic. Also know where it's called all daily. What you are home, town, or Basekito or 8 years, you know. So, government here favor, don't favor our Shomole, or I hear favor what? Who was the bill? Any favor what? Why team operate for 16 years? Possible. What gave power move to another person? I'm going to referee. Anybody you fake information and no level. If I need a protest, here what protest is safe for 1 hour. Again, primaries, I didn't protest. So yet I spent the last 6 years of my life serving politicians from Oshomole to Obaseki. Oshomole no Humekiana, every male no Shomole, male no Obaseki. Wow. In one way, no Shomole about Oshomole Buaris. Oshomole Buaris. So the Humekiana. In a way, when he made trust, Eme Kukwan. At a lot of movement. At a lot of movement. Elio Shomole, more berry. 15. What big Oshomole berry? You only have Oshomole berry. I have any idea. Everybody make go away. You know, I confided in them. We see my wife critical condition. I can't leave her. And then now when I have got a blood of a son, a bar me, Menema, show me more Matioya at your big Mune. Iame Sabuja The information was leaked to Ranamigo. Ranamigo now here and they go his Facebook. In a get the video. That was how I way. You not tell you after it. Way. In my comment, close friends. God will bless all the people that prayed for me.
Yes, sir.
God will bless all the people that stood by my beautiful wife. Yeah, we lay. Yeah, Boko Haram. If you buy a dead or someone, it's Marawa. If not, I'm a report. If I didn't give my woman betray me, Abuja. Already, I you know your time. If I didn't give my who. If I didn't no someone of your papa second with your men. Oh, boy, I want to hear more in the hour. Calm down. Oh, Vienna. You call it out and not college, not college. That's it.
Okay, if you do, Wakoyo, a do my way at Tora, Babana. The reason in Allah, my ban, he gone for the ban. He gone for it, and I forgot Lawa. Maybe call it or walking away about it, Warrior or line. Ah, way, and I want away. Baba, way, away. Mohiaro here. Devon okay with I in a way. If I want him, Bunny was about in our and why. Albert Emite Obaseki Igwegwa a bonori team Obaseki won ye. Even with bit time away. A bokebo when about no Obase team me won Obaseki or ye. When I'm Momodoria. Nu kponare doni amekela we hogi menera no migo omoeria Obaseki serve with Oshomole for good 8 years. Obaseki to even rescue our children from Bamako. Obaseki maseti we you finish a video na neba ikba ya watch a video we from A to Z. Oh, we are having well Obaseki with me. Oh, me amigo me. In Meteweru there, oh, Sagbo you are, chief of staff, and other. Well, okay, since here we are winner, Oma. Okay, for what banner 2 months that Governor Obaseki people promise. Okay, let me read this message quick. Oh, okay. Okay, even Albert is saying that he's the one that told them not to do it, not to rescue people. That he told them that Ranamigo cannot work with the governor. You can hear it now. This is the message that just came. All because of Albert. You told the governor or told people, do not rescue Edo people. Because Ranamigo cannot work with the governor. Why will I be a slave to Governor Obaseki? God forbid. I am an independent man with independent mandate. First of all, Governor Obaseki did not mention Osagbov's name before I met him. Kevi is the one that said this is Osagbovo. Before that time, me and Osagbovo, we met like 2-3 times. He will greet me and say, who is this person? Because everybody is a suspect. Everybody was a suspect in that party. You were not there. I am the one that submit myself. Say, you want to check? Go ahead. They check everything. I went in. As an officer, it's my duty. Wherever I am, I have to let the security or anybody know. Any law enforcement that is there. I am here. This is my present. You know people that have all this pamphlet certificate, uneducated illiterate or educated illiterate. They don't know what to say. Today, November 1st, 2019, you have just destroyed even 0 chance of Governor Obaseki becoming or re-election. If it take Mega Comrade, me, to step down for those who will defeat Obaseki, I promise you today I will do it. I promise you today. Then the other day you were talking about a viewer or whatever. You started your Atalo 2015. 2015, when you started Atalo, there's a do political forum. Every video of you a do political forum they carried. I have purposely sent you video to Atalo to see if you live on your own preaching. Abat never allowed any of those videos to appear. You went ahead and created a hit squad, Facebook division, terrorists, call crack team, terrorist organization that Governor Obaseki is using to terrorize every Edo people. And he finance you. He do whatever it takes to make sure you are active while other Edo people are dying in hunger. Mega coverage just created People Freedom Movement, not even up to 3 years old. I have over 50,000 followers. Over 50,000 followers. If you calculate 2015, 2016, 2017, 18, 19, 5 years, and you are with the governor, I am with God. You were with Oshomule, he grow you. You are with Obaseki, he grow you. But you want to brainwash Edo people. Egbe, Governor Obaseki, I gave my word to your people. It's unfortunate. The people you surround yourself with, and with your radical policy, have torpedoed your evil chance of becoming a governor. Again, 2020, be prepared to pack your load. We will do whatever it takes on social media to make sure that we counter every propaganda video. I don't pay for network. I only pay for... I have free network. You are using Edo State money. Unlimited network. Unlimited network. Let me tell Governor Obaseki, the message I have for you, you will not go for re-election. Who will lava? Who will lava? If you like, let me tell you, you know me. So your people lied to me. When you said that they should kill me, or Abatobaze when he said they should stone me, you are the one that told him. So Italavero, we will see that one. How it's gonna go. Abatobaze name is already with the FBI. In the area. Every life when I'm with me, they don't worry back. I go to the local law enforcement agency. This is the information. This report will be given to the FBI. Governor Obaseki is a promise and fail. He's a failed governor in Edo State. He wants to use Edo State money to destroy Edo people. You are picking and choosing those that do not support you to destroy them and damage them. Esuno, you must go back to Amsa Ekelukere. You have sold Edo State for Fulani. Oh, bah. About mokia a Facebook me. Moseti budiano yowe. Moseti me menera amigo meno ueme. Ederio you kaka weru agbele wi won eru awora oni e karu oru. Oni e karu o ba se ke ogiewe o. Ogiewe o. Oni ruruwe. Oni waru oru. Ekeke no ba se ke yari America. Oni me kian noi. Kege no baseki yari America. Igo ni meke ira koko ni aya no baseki ota. The 1-on-1 direct. Abegege uka a video weni. Wala o wa we fo wa fia. Wa fia heme. Ime tamu we na ivie do no kan kisi we as. Ni kan do akisi woni san. Ni akisi obaseki e oni san. Ni ala lo ni san ya mi ala lo. Meru funi iwon bowo. Mariana, me money. I would never go hungry for the rest of my life. Always way a Cotonou where you Obaseki I lose. A Cotonou is a Democratic Congo. Who were you? Where walk away me that is fighting for the people. When of Benoko, when of back, men of Benanevo, Kimeku we dominate way one. We might really hate you where. On our go walk by why police station. If you don't hear So every ogun boy o do Obaseki anahin dono na hin na Obaseki ve kelorie Governor Godwin Obaseki every kelorie from tomorrow or yes a Monday yake aladian every kelorie if be carry ni regbo right now even self me akwebelele we are anything yake pointing me be so ego if you do what am here let me tell you people we not so know ari gwana Washington DC yana we emi an Obaseki u ya vie yare na re na we dogle we nyana na wa ja he wa viere imami okpa me ma ga bati o ta mi yan yare we me ma wa na ti o sa gbofo yo a me ma yen me ma be boy ni ere wania ma boy ma we va gbe wo at all me wa we ti kun e Kevin na we o yan total kini yan total agave yan do total agave Kevin na we ona sa gbofo yo na we o sa gbofo yo e me ni we already me ma temo e ma me ma temo e ma me boy se ni bunya me wona lele me ya temo e ma me even via tie ni honorable Ogbede Yama the same iwa we emoni ya wa be temo I personally me na ya 20 he 2 that's it e me governor yana adi aga me yana do total me ya bu adi do total e matia ya ha mo we metia e mere ni do no Obaseki ta ugbo sa gbogbo yo a chief of staff ya seti mo ezoni ina mo ezofo wa pa about the bangigbe oko o magigbe wa anybody that run for profile here you are gone out of this platform try down a boy ogun nwara you ohun ya mama we body igmina igbo ma wa bro iti I know they keep us you na cause and they lay on people well if you run for profile here your life your entire life go before profile very for profile here every ojini declare warrior well wa gbedo to ye o deredo Obaseki o ware do gbedo onariado o iri onaria o wi onaria wo tonaria lafan o te o te pa la o te o yopu wa ge kere na agbeli go kwa ibi ogwe abege yan afi egbe yan igo na wero wa ibi ogwe na abege yan afi egbe yan wa be kere na agbeli go kwa wa ma bege igo ni ini igo Obaseki a election ma mi go ya election o ma mi go to Kani the next week. Otadero, we like one we have video. A video ya ni yati bon agbon ti devi. O mana vi oladian, o won Obaseki oye. O avi oladian won oye, me wonu vi ola. O ware page me e de gwa lo. E ya ware okpa, a delete ya wa. I delete video. Awa. So that agbon me kena beye. Veli yak minae. Very young man, who were making not delete video, not delete video. Awa, all Kevin, if not Yami Hamiani away. Imitative at home way. Information way no agreement or rere. Mametana. Mama go however one I walk out football gay, become a football game. Mama go and one, he will go one. Omono wa be na hemo bobe na gina. Unwe na bati unwe. Unwe ra no gwe o ya mo unwa Obaseki. Unwa Obaseki unwa eva. Me. O we me America ye. Me America iwa egbe wa ho me. Egbe wa o hi me, egbe wa ho me America. Eye. Tuwe mae wore baby woru se. We o waru we baby. We are kede modekba. Kede modekba. Oni we di gege governor. Ewa nahe. Abato baze. Mwemuka maene no oro yeme. We namba kamini ken ni anseto. Wese o Obaseki. Wese. Governor Obaseki. Wese o ire dukmo we. Wese o. Wese. Ivi o gwe numa megbe no ayagba o revi. No ya la yosati be avenure. Ivani we gwa. venu me gbena no ya gbele wo abame a vote no e ma ya fe no gie ohun no gie everything information ya fe ogweme venu wa ya we information ya fe ogweme anything no we no baseki no wa iri kin awe gbe organize o wa ladia pa iwari ela de poi wari ela de because ego de we no ye ezigbe won jina ma yo wa abati ruera yo wa be na utara orue ogirue iwa nya pe no kere we mere yake Washington every day o ya tebo me izu gbezi o ma me ma we oyemugbo egwe ewe ne ba sekiki wa ke u vivere wa agbeli wa obi omo egbo yo ma vela bati biere na nya ha igegwe evie ma be gun because okay ye mari ele bulletproof iroge ero very bulletproof iroge you know we ya agbele ma so anything when I no me talk by you na gwen ko huwe mare o are platform obaseki a platform o you know wakin we wa agbe do straight wa ya kin ovi akami election de wa sun e wa so gwen wa gwale yan wa gba ni fo pro na ni wa hule an mare take fo pro kede won kede me ka mu wedele fo pro kin e referee ga unia mami ya we referee ni ge Oma maya gbe block we wa huli aya 4 talk ba nasi upa wa mi wa gbon 4 gbo e wa ju okian be lu wa gbedo se na mai se ona na pa ya wa hulu wa ya wa halu wa popa ya wa sole boy eru wa ya pa nonsense wa gbedo to iya lare iya ko ba se ki won eye wa no e governor iya ko eye a gbe na we se no ma avie video show mu lewe ya rubian ni ameke na bege rudu we oh yi meswar e ma etie bono ba sekina from next week oh why grade 1 level, grade 2 level, grade 3 level, grade 4 level since we tane we ba seki giri wo we kan ava mo we vitali wo we ni agbe me Washington DC wo we ni agbe me be vivnana eriki awa awekian pa we dare na no dare na we ha gawe okpa no mama pa wa hula wa huri mo se wa ye iwa gbe a governor no win na of 4+4 a governor no win ave helicopter wa mari mi pola ehwera mu wa helicopter wa ya tore Iyamo University onya Iyamo University o pa se ki wo shumule eyanya Ige Tori Atomo is Obaseki not with Oshomule for 8 years? Was he not with Oshomule for 8 years? Governor Obaseki was the chief economist. He facilitated that 30 billion naira loan. Water store project. Hospital that Oshomule built, Obaseki have transferred and privatized it. Obaseki must go. Obaseki must go. Ya so your Obaseki must go. Okpa. Wakpa he must go. E bokpa we run away mu. Wakpa anu we na back e Congo uri. Congo. Republic Democratic of Congo. Uri. We wariye. Tony e Congo we Obaseki must go. E renu shiyo. Nu sina uruwe na late. Wa tebo me Obaseki wari ege tai wa ro ye me Obaseki wari ege tai very dien we eri en dien me any insult you pass on me we go straight to Governor Godwin Obaseki. Do I look like a askisa we le boys Obaseki hana gen agwegwa about we le hana gen agwegwa boys Obaseki yan no keke ne put you where you check in your money I will empower we a Tawo, I will call Tawo. Tawo, if Tawo is the one that instructed you to be insulting me, I will know. Tawo, the chief of staff. Anyone you go and I yes and I they give you money. I don't get all the whole information. They give you money, make you think they destabilize those state. Then tell you say I asked them 1 penny one day. About yeah, time aware in there 1 penny. Me money. Me riak money. Me money. me man we ma yo we buwe yi egbo ni me la unu gba no hin u pa we la na nya afiema o male gebo men we ki amuda Obaseki nera akpon enwura we akpon we lo akpon ugwota uhata okperu ke ya me fe no ke ya me we no wa da bie na o mai we no wo o ma sokun do bo bie we no wa da pe agun egboro oro ni kan na una wa so arovie we rovie Obaseki rovie ya boya fe no tie me won Obaseki oye if I find anybody that run for profile any of my place again you are gone for profile is you say que le for profile tell me one project no Obaseki you what tamame industrial park no Obaseki must go. Operation Obaseki must go have been activated by about Emite Obaseki. Operation Obaseki must go tamuwa. We got here nanya. Now we are where because I gave you about when my can go ye do rulele. Ya we ya my o derewa. O derewa ya rutanwe ah. Me walking machine. Iwa oka ire we am we go me Washington DC. Wo shomule we am we go me. Wo shomule we go ni amome we can ya wena yira. You were shocked. Igi you. Ina ade. If I no we go me mado nego. Igi we sema we ya we go me. Oh ba wono. Mami no we velu sie ire ho we sie. E chako velu wasi o te no Ghana. Ashanti Ghana, e Ghana Accra wete, e Ghana wete lare, venu wa siere ho we subibi. We go no wa da bi o mai si pedeva, una helele boy. O we yo ya oho no lo we na oho no we ri ego no lo we na we ya yin an we no we no boy yo, we gwaron we akobo yo egbe. E kelu na gboro, e we ya le no ya le. We abate egwegun o e ofie ho ne, boso Obaseki gwalo yen. Thank God, I will confirm my banner. Confirm so e meniri ta e matano e wane nwe na vedo imwepo gbe e wano ma megbe ne do ya ma imwepo gbe e no ri kon wa ta wo revete ro no na we know what that here wa gon egboro e una hemelele gbo e ma mi kon e ama bio e anu e I'm your boy boy. I'm your boy boy. A boy, I fell no read me. Mammy Tiabon on our way, won't banana no. A boy, I don't read me, won't Obaseki ye. Won't governor Obaseki. All the insult you lay on me, everything take governor Obaseki head. It take governor Obaseki. What he said at the right there. Tamame, tell me what in the right. Make a way, worry. All this, or you mugbo. Tell me. Sarah, what is Sarah will write? Make us see. Obaseki na swigo naga every day. God will Obaseki go call them, make them mobilize 1,000. He go call them 1,000. He go call them 100 people. They go mobilize. Yesterday, when they mobilize for they mobilize for chief of staff. I mean deputy governor. They mobilize for Dangote. Obaseki use those state money. They mobilize for Dangote. Make Dangote believe say he get funds for Benin. Obaseki even win a primary or win a primary. Kevi my Yahweh. With HIV, with the background, with Bible, miracle or Bible. Hey, if Obaseki now winning the election, if Obaseki, so you people were planning for me. Una think say, Meme, I go merge. You know what they call coalition? I go merge with the force that will remove him. You have provoked me today. I was even considering some with no wonder we be say no wonder who most above you are trouble. Ya no ene. A leakage in way now we leak ban. O above you are meant to be me annoying. Because if you are following me, be straightforward. Don't lie to me. Don't play politics with me. Be honest. I don't think they are ready to destroy their political career because of Obaseki. Here, Kevi. Nuwega Gwapa. Me. Moirano Migo. Kevi is my son. A video ni. Why you moving? You will be here tomorrow. Here, uwe Mobaseki fi big trouble. Itama we me ya coffee me Obaseki. Winni me he wa mo we. Ime ama winni me no we Obase no wa mu. Iwa mu na we imoye was every Tony Kabaka my boy. Woga ha ibitu woga ha fen. Woga ha we. Una ha wo fen. We too happy Tony. We agbe we time. We na ha fen. Why we time? Okay governor no ro. We why we Tony no ro. Why we wa na everywhere that time me. Everywhere that time when about it. Everywhere that time e wo ha fen no ha we. Huh? We matter serio even we kele we matter Larry we kama we mo the last person no here go on social media. Number one, you are a criminal, you are a terrorist, you are a political thug, and you are Obaseki crocodile generals member that force people to death when they are not ready to go. You use DSS, you use every criminal why if you see like wal viola the my suppose wa ekenwa erale wa why emotionally le gbe ahan we are dirty you go ofo a plan why have anything wa we part to Shomole. Yes, have you insulted Shomole? Yes. Why do you insult him? Because of Obaseki. Shomole forced Obaseki into us. Yes, he did it. Have you insulted everybody? Yes. So what? He's caused a crime. Ache bonoma. Larry, Emmanuel, o agbe o me we no lo mare mami agun we wune idiot. We wune ariawe we giri agbon. If Obaseki no win, Aba go to so go to suffer. Yes, we suffer na suffer yes one. Yes one Obaseki awa ahon baba na nya we. Era no mi go na wa won ade follow through. E motendin ari me motendin na we gbagba me mai wo we na wa be ka. Una wa we do itama na wa danyo hi we wa nwa ogogoro ran we kankan e me afolo we dey ame wo pare la dia we we ti me we Iranomigo ma wa Obaseki mate wa plan mate wa type problem e gwa yoru wo tama me we ti bo yodu we mata dadantan re egwa imate wa he ma ize keke o mate yo abadu we mata mi me dandan we ya nwa me be gwa e na we mata we ya nwa me be gwa du we mata wo ati agwalo wa ya mo me fi problem e gwa go na hewe me ma fi peje gwa wa ize keke igbera wo wa ni la wo Iranomigo la wo e fancy working Iranomigo e fancy we me wa be alele me we asio no wa zebo ne ko wa re me we mata abat we mata mi me we na bat we watiere erewa watiere wagege watiere awari wa destiny watiere ni anota watiere ina we yi so omanoma support wa set up ina we ri ana we una we ni lao ni ri wa motinu ina wa moti pologbe we no Obaseki ya dole upe tom laye no ya dole upo yon ina kelupo ya no me ma we ma we wa be agwena unu ko do ta we appointment to gwalo na okay we ta me o mata mama bat we ta me we mata me on o tani me no we na you come out we mata me we no my we wala mo e wrong person hey e babo na ukowe e babo na uga ba mo re olowo wa kan alawe gbe una ba mo ro alawe gbe ola Obaseki gbe boya ruri tie me unwe Godwin no your baseki unwe Godwin no your baseki oye e hamu we me mo Godwin a Godwin ma mi me a e hamu we me a governor is forever is governor forever wara waseti wa ko your base mo yiwe wa ye do ya ke wo so o ha jo ro pa ku wa ko Tana. I will say video where I no drop. A governor will pay for all those videos. Oh, Hamosa, he will pay me money for it. Oh, Hamosa. I make video no matter. Who strike if you are I mean your paruma. Mena when me ruta was above you are. Ni me okay. Let's do this. I have a governor there. Yo woko Obaseki lao. Yo woko Obaseki lao likota yahia likota yahia oke ugbodo omage yimoto la Rude Dangote wana amwe likota awi ye obi ogwe ni rakmo ni waredo bi ahia na melikota bati mata ewe obi ogwe ami obi eson ami wa bi ahia na melikota erede ogbo awe won ba se ke ogbo we no perede na we lai ware ke kwe ware no say why ya 4+4 talk ba take lo gbare wo gbare take lo ri awe gbe no we se no wa on gbe me se abati gbe me yesi we la abati gbo so mu le yesi ro gbe me yesi o gbe me yesi igba vai fine igba fa ye wa fine igba ha ona ga o tun no re libia o tun re libia ma ti e mo ko ba pa or marketing motion in Libya. When you abati man, where are that Biana? Where are that Biana? Maybe I let you know where. Where can't what I worry? Where worry? No, gweka yari ni eladia ye fake no but yari eladia e fake no but yari ni eladia yari eladia wo dan yo pa wa no orun pa wa do na gweka block e na o mi wan gbon wo pa wa pin na wo wa tin eni e we jawe ti ama we igele mi na igele mi Obaseki Wele Obaseki gbedo se na Obaseki wa gbedo e kini ado oluku ni ara fa ma hu ya ireview ya magbon ita magbon tamewi enwina ya fefe man Obaseki ya we dirty work Obaseki no won ye school yen na we ave Tony Kabaka maseya man Obaseki violadia he me Maria ya we dirty job anybody is a naya onanime waji ikpina ye is a naya ye is a nawe de ibragada we eti udeeti eti no we de yina we gamio we yi megere wa ya ha 4+4 nia enwena no ri mwena enwena ra mwigo o hia ri mwena ani we nani me wa mwene e marketing we wa bare na o wa sewe e sewe no wa be me yibe na Ekin we do dena about or wasewe. A governor yati we governor yati wa we lare wona we kwentinu we am we governor fina. Yeah, is a soyo Obaseki hu. Yeah, ye po soyo eri na ye do tawe na. Rudawo sagba wo we for staff me ya se do na. We gedegbe ne. Gedegbe. Veni go mana kawo boy chief of staff tawo odo hama we. If no share ni okpana accountant. Ni na chief of staff, ni na banker, no na ya we ya. Obaseki eme minister eme ropa eme igo yan eva igo wagwe itoga iba waga Obaseki betawo igo go every department no support ni ame budget yame amami no hake gwa o hama ke ropa gwa do you know information in me information in me ye ga pomper la dian ve deva son avant Egbe wa ofre para kafte osa we a chef ye wal e trouble we we are share for immersion di mo bobi na ye na omo no be pack after so we not tia bati di yon ge no tia weta ma we e ma o ya ha ma we mo ma irrespect o ma e mo ma iri ogo no ma obutate iri ogo no ma ehibi uwe wo shomole meki oshomole no weru ya no shomole manati me ro pa no we kedele rakpa we age oshomole it is abi oshomole shomole when you dey short every day when no fit do you anything you think about you think say me abi oshomole I no be oshomole I'm an American see guy I'm an American I'm not oshomole I'm not Obaseki. Everybody from now on make una derive 4 + 4 egba. Egba no baseki. We go na ge ije lekute na. We ko e mare wa me magbon. 500 naira na yare no wa do wu you na. Wa ye boba. Ge no we atie. So say wa ke so say dey upegu e Dangote helicopter ya kin o kin rebe we mu e ma me agbon fu e. Ma mi vie do ma be wa o na do na mama we. Wa o na do na ma. Why is it they on a donama? Mammy Agmo, you are a gualogo. A Dangote helicopter take Gaya boy Vitigo. Hey, any hour, Bo. I will put Boko around. What I Boko around was I will check with Boko around. Huh? Eh? Awa Julian, what are they? Gawa Julian. They go on away, Gloria. Awa Hulu Papa. Akulu wa papa wa akula wa akuri iteruwa ye nabaseki iga ina na ye ladia we na we so yo wo ko abaseki alikota ya khia Central Hospital ya khia o privatize avi malo agbogun yana gbe na Central Hospital ave bi ati Kola Dokpa yi yana gbena ye Central Hospital Obaseki gire ona we theory a pair criminally smart criminal mastermind where ye boni there criminal mastermind Obaseki he know how to cook the book my rana know what a vessel not there il few days in wa ye tie bia iwe ni anno ekilo na migo no de the vessel ni I will call it bia iwe ni anno ekilo na migo that is money laundering we mana ve ru enwa uwe mo ba if you want chance ye oteyo we kian na New York na oteyo o kian ne gania uwe ri yel if you want chance eto kan bi alle kian na ya ah na ni viere do embaraze ne ma be do embaraze otewe kian o kian ne ma ba ge won esusu hu won esu e o vele ko we vele washi ni iri ko we si we mi o ma ge eji we ge tu e de gbai e dik back be na we pole ran liri e bunu na yo ma ya me appointment o ma ya me ropa we na ti talk ba no we ge do ati me appointment e de me ropa de o sa gba no gba go we nu ono pa irun ni na no ha we kokemo e wo we me de ye wo yi we ko na fo ire wa se ibi ado e ni ori tam wa Obaseki o ma megbe no ya dole do yi o ma megbe ero pa we ro no we ya wi yo bo we ne do awa wa iyen re do gbedo o re ope ni tam wa we ku le an ha na we ku le an band wa hali an popa o Obaseki na wo yi band wa hali an popa band we bege wa hali an popa band yi eri ate kan ya o ga me gbo a ume no ma ati ayo ga me gbo a ge gono na ge gwe no lo mare na ge okoro Michael okoro de ge mama agmo you see your life i guy 5,000 naira aki guy efue umame fue o mami go ya defo o pare do e mi ro pare do e dango te rie do ogbe 4 hours e gbo wa se get fin video ni de wọ́n se get fin wa mu dia wọ́n se get fin okay ya se get rie wọ́n se get fin you wa fin video ri ba cut the video ma quick cut am no why ya ka if no share wọ́n go ala ni ewo wọ́n go ala wa fin we aka me we no rigwe we aka me we la ya fin video hey man we is a ige do state where say ya the megabyte de made the video na fian 3 minutes of fian 3 minutes oh we guy 3 minutes fian 3 minutes fian fian we ya ha we la wa ya amelikota ni Dangote e yare one. So that is why I am out this evening. Obaseki I mean your pan no wa 4 years time one hour you mistake e we no here why you are you to America you are big good man o I mean you are o wu wa ya fefe ni rewebo o iro kan mo bodoja o go we no make am you to land Dangote o I go we Fulani no mama o come make Fulani down election day mama ya come here down Tony eyan go strategy point that is what they want ni alaya conquer Igbo ni alaya conquer Igbo oni ya gwalo mujo wa gun wona yan re gun ahulian o wafu no more. And if you come here after the video and comment like blaze wa blaze ron la we gbe ya hulu wa popa na Sylvester wa be we phone Obaseki mwekule luwane we mwesa gene I am the only hope o matter destiny omo to Benin. Obaseki is not forever. Governor Obaseki 4 years o wa pa no waya baku anybody no really la won so mo lori e la dia o PDP ori la dia o iwa mench ye wa me 100 social media eta batty we every la with social media from January mas one recruiter in America me boy my son is already there then even other my son orewa push lie ore idiot ye wari we lare onona we handle the man is sunu ye no pa onona we handle awaro wa ke mi go wa yari bai wa ke za 500 naira no wa go Obaseki we die evi daria ehoi ma Emma when you threatening why you threatening we are planning na where yeah ye force near ya have a last hope ya tell Lora not working here about na ya wa be no ofuna na iya hawa yeah we dey wa have Oshomole if you dey sleep before Obaseki don't give up before I get the classified information he no say he no go get Obaseki himself talk and say he no go get nomination but make them try this time. So as they try and the star on the walk, I was inside. The star on the all of them, they don't lose hope. They don't lose hope. So Oshomole, you do better than Obaseki. I don't cause you tired now because of Obaseki. If Obaseki get that nomination, we go blame you on it. Every million, one a million. Oh well, Obaseki, oh yeah, don't know. Oh yeah, Hausa Fulani. Oh yeah, Hausa. Obaseki. Oh yeah, Hausa. Obaseki Hausa Fulani. Oh yeah, Hausa under Obaseki. Edo State House of Assembly. Till today, they never swear them in. Ask them whether I ask them 1 penny. When they are, they may 1 penny. When they, what you want to run me know what? I owe nobody obligation. I know they sell my people. I know when people they insult me, say, Pa, why can't be say you know can they talk to Obaseki? Say you say you be like say don't collect money. Now today they will not know say 1 penny. I don't ask 1 penny. They don't see money take even money to take carry bus. Go they don't bring and come out. Now Obaseki and chief of staff, now 2 of them. Now the money they with. Yeah, mamigo. What Osazero, one Osazero, one no, Tom budget, me. Or can we yana woke party. Made they catch many people, party, wow. Ministry of Wars, one year time a budget, yame. Where me administration and budget. Or Basaki go ya fefe, or ya refurnish a loan and no can Yabi Dangote, una me, where ego no Baledo State. Oh, what a pele, a vessel na way at dinner, yan any go no he. Yan any go no he. Or do I home money, master, on our aboa yovi. We not go one or really go. At least you are whether I may be governor, anybody provided not be Obaseki. I will be in the cabinet. Yeah, what you are anti-corruption department. Yeah, when you are created anti-corruption, anti-fraud. Oh, Obaseki, you were you are here, Tony. No more less. Oh yeah, what do I make a why? I was a greater while you are here. Why here? Why here? Man, you get one where ma wakipisa itai. Even tabia where any other day when you insult me, who will try, who will be a kind of get or 20 no where no raji a year, no ye, or 20 no re ye, no Florida, or 20 hirini, no yari, no yari ho, akata no yamu, or Mue Mexico, akata no Oriowa, or Ari Nigeria, or 20 hirini near that green card in Nana. Umaru one. Ma TV ya te come and marry. A citizenship over hang the balance. Over hang the balance. Where will America on I am Maru Hori. Hori na mo ade o. Hori we man ya what be na live here. If Nigeria go or got me Canada we man in Florida or two when they no Florida ne courts. E one no much where ye court. Who ga ye police equally can we court we man down we case when we down now. Or two when he ought to have a lucky Barbie Jenny, who have it investigate was a case where all ye can, a case where all ye can, all ye can, or 20 or a year, a year or 2 or a year, no 20 or a Florida or a year. Ya worry your boy, a homeland security, Ariave, or ye without citizenship. Where are you make me? Wama he record the answer zan yana he record the men wa clean yana zan I do bomb me date me record. I am a military family American even I you go na say oh military family law enforcement family then when I to the many who we man lay room we say they say half me we me toss up me where we give no na you talk too much of boy atalo we o tun ma we yan atalo o na atalo security ya fefe we ni aya agwo we agwo wo somole atalo eni no egbe o lare o we yan atalo e mo paro no ma yuru ekele abati o na kele ri a petition I egbe we ma mi o we de somole e denuwa imiki awa media Mayaki ne ya so Mayaki setting wa tiere wa ha me Mayaki no call me. We no wa call me urgent. We no call me mo jamoti budianoruwa. Mo seti budianoruwa. Mo seti budianoruwa we wa gbele ma we na ya baku you people are ready to kill. Wa me ma gbele wa je webo. Gbele wa je webo. America wa ye it tells us in me yena ngaka my woni yena e jet na de bo ade e tore ma go we bush ma ere o we ti ka ha de be ha o ha ne be ha ika o ha ne be ha we no bi o ha kere we no che wa da la no che wa with that green card na we not threatening no one we are deport one we know what that be we not how we are deport one we not how we are eri on agbo one eri no pa magbo one unu ma we gbele we ma gbele a commissioner of police I will personally call the commissioner of police he know we lare we not how we emi ma sunu ge video na we osunu why he know when you might take commissioner of police there you know why Obaseki commissioner ya no riri o yari aveni wa Obaseki wo no owe doro ye me my problem here. Me teru da wo sagbo we chief of staff ya hewe. me problem iro e problem iro wo we no bati do aro wi me wo we no do aro wi me Obaseki wo we no Obaseki bati do aro wi me no we gbe una ri agmo wa una ri ami ya wa by now me be say 20 children una iye na siwe wo here we na we no abati do aro e boy ara bati riri ti o we ye Obaseki e bona bati riri ti o ko e bona riri ti we no ma metana eri o wase edo ibi edo solo iya solo we va be kwa if audio no gwime orere e wana wena no Obaseki yare cage ya ye cage ya woke wa ga ya we second time ya mekina mwego o wa mwego ya wa gai no pa wa mo ade New York a World Bank egwen review me World Bank a World Bank no gwan kai gumeka because all kan ron pa ni ma wo no kan de me ne chief of staff no din o we no ro wie me e ba me ana he before making me awu every World Bank ni ya to high ma we ezu o la we gbe anyo no won gbo e odanyo diku anyo no won gbo so share this video wagai odanyo ya we bede no me any awe bede no me gbe ma ho me na we di la ni do asave o ma ti me ba o we ni ki wa se boy na o pe no ke gbe na wa la o ya na te we ni la ni ya me se o we ku we ko Obaseki ya na wa fa ibe tete we ku we kwa o pe we ma se ti dollar yi me we ma se Obaseki age se boro age we lo gbe obi eson ami wa when obi ogwe we wa me opportunity we wa da ira nyon re do kwa wa da o kan danyo diku ugu fu de no ya won wa son won wa fan e deri gba ge tuwe e ro Osama bin Laden Yusuf the uwe gu wan on Yusuf me okay Pare. Pare. Ya khule apapa gwe hale ya we lo ko haloka. Gwe hale ya apapa yare. Nyewe we no pade. We hale yare odanyo diku. Obaseki ya fi ma gigbo na vizigan. Ona fi awo danyo na fi ogagagbe. 4 years even you wa mewedo, u wa kin ale. Imo ga bo ita ina wa mera no ro na. Na mo we no egborun opa na mo pa omi unwo o mo pa kan mi unwo Obaseki e ona baye mistake hey mi calamity kede mo de pa mi awere gbe yi calamity me ifere gbe so an pray o shomule e sade o shomule me yiye na me de sade Obaseki ofo ipa ofo igbena no wa gbon e sade o shomule me waye o wafo meze dere sade Obaseki now wa lose me na dofo ite blow we so referee te ye pure megi blow na e sade o shomule me waye me obi edo hi yi me mi dan ni we are support egba 4+4 egba 4+4 egba Obaseki egba o wa pa 4+4 egba me to bi mo wa we ruri ye wa 4+4 egba me to be me ya wa sendigo giva we wa ya we do no wala ya gwo we man of ye emana vie ni ye wo osomole ipien wa gun ete ni bula nya wa we plan wa we man already opposition me or istika ivie do iya wa na istika PDP wa na istika opposition iya giva ni ya gwo wa moto oni omo wa kan vote we election na oni omo wa kan we election na or no where a sticker when I de PDP ara me sticker PDP I be plan of plan ma plan e total wa be ba we claro to ye ba na ba e ho me na na ho Obaseki no be lo eri ho esi eri abati ye be lo wa si ni eri ho e wa si we e no se therefore for ave be eri agbe because e ho down lo yan wa ba be bi an se we lo kalu bi lo yo chako eri ki an si wa send a message na ge Obaseki wa send a video na ge wa pe ne wakpene ono the last warning ina will be hememe wunuwe ye ilatian ogun ti ogun hey miracle rababu owa arun Obaseki won wa we won Obaseki okin awa aye won Obaseki okin aye ina will be hememe wunuwe won Obaseki 4 + 4 0 wa ti we lo 4 + 4 egba 4 + 4 egba won agba yi ona no ma de la second time o helicopter kiane helicopter o mo sa mu yedoru ojoba jewo igo no mu ade New York vedere igo rere iya wa mi o iya rewebu me ma egun me ga gun even mi agbon mi ga ta o iga ta even mi agbon mi iga ta Obaseki o wa gbedo to nonsense Ministry of Works iya me wanara anti-human trafficking me ma show ni me 1 penny ere an gbe me o gbe mere e ti an gbe me o gbe mere igo ni anya igo ya daily property ni igo ya daily vessel ni o ye we refinery ni abo no Obaseki be Dangote ki an si o figmo Edo state una mi ona wa ulele Buhari ye wa win re-election iya wa si o figmo ya si iya yo boy ya push e back after usafwa e plan ya wa we me ho enia very we vessel ni wa ire wa yo bo be back after usa wa be for e te o ni camel oni ma camel me he ya nia I me hu ita me ba me na we evini ehun ina we ata edo iale abato na do zufu yo because who done him who done him na nya o what have biera who done muri agbon o ma setting go ye momo we mi o ma no mo en yu o sha melele ge na nya wa ya bi na nya bi na no we ata wa we wari video de ma be kabaka ya we wa play every day aga gbe aseto ogun o itie we ni me ti ri ro ti me we wa ata aseto ne period I make it the buy na make sure Obaseki or why we the ba wa ko is 19 or why we the ba wa ko is 19 because Obaseki already mo doria imi paro no already we ge yiri o dey upa mami kera na we bury tira no upa lare gweta mo we upo na ta wo upero Obaseki na ta ovi ochi Obaseki be egumegwan when so reserve on it gumeriza egumegwan e lama no ya dere na we na ya we beria ara me lama usa wa egumegwan e yaro mo hu ni egwan e gbera we na ya lama e no Obaseki e wa no ma ti de lama na e na ya here wa egumegwan wa hete de egumegwan uwe wa finish Obaseki uwe wa finish e me time we in this social media I'm the most honest person. Hate it or like it, on the macame. It's the most honest person and we need return. We make our work here again. We man to wait. Oh no, yeah. Me we. Amigo, I want to say, "Mese ke wala nyawata." Boy, say man I record them in my work bata. Me my work bata. Deti me record there arriva. I make here record. Deti me mega in MB. One MB ne record him my work. Nonsense. Area make they go. They not everywhere. Sagan wa me okpenike preach peace. Wa gwalo. Oh kanwa aya kanwa. Egba make lori. Am I swan election? Obaseki. If you are thinking Governor Obaseki will win the election, kiss and goodbye. He no first win. He no win primary. He no win general election. He no win. So person wey no know how to win. The only thing Obaseki know how to lose is lose. Obaseki company now so money then lost as he enter governor now he take Edo state money. I get all the information. Campaign I say who big you want to work well when you come work me want to work me we can my way or me where me yeah I be petition America yeah what call it Florida investigation department. Iwa kamia giving nana. Ya wakba, ya sobo we what ya sobo we who ya sobo ya investigate. America, if you see something, you say something. Or two way no whatever. He shoot he expose it's a Curtis. Your brother here is a cultist, a dangerous cultist. President Trump is zero tolerance of cultists. Yeah, one million card. Yeah, fear with me. Yeah, to fear our diamond. Yeah, what fear? Yeah, to fear our Cotonou or they to go here, Democratic Republic of Congo. Who was so honey our money no be any was say walk by you walk also can wear. Wagaro Donerio, Wagwalo, Congo Yari. Wagwale Burkina Faso very meme kuharanya esoredo esoro tegbo do awawe awe de do ogene hiare na oni odokpa ne ha bo we ona gmene na say about brother what you say the fly make I read down when no line lie go here Abba brother, na blue he dey fly a part. What it be blue? They know blue, Sarah. What it be blue? What it be blue? Abba say ki winning. Wawa na ewe kilori. O mamwe gbe no ya wi yo boye do. Awawa. E kese so ro na we me de gwan yi. Abba say ki second time e kan amwedo mu le ran. Ye plan ene o mwedo mu le ran. Campaign ma so mwedo. Ki me ko ba say ki Ki me cause of Basaki governor by a picture is a governor. Wama me dio ni me release vedere. Come kwa ni ojo ni pe. Agwe pe e mata me. Agwe pe ya. Ko se get bona. Yeah, abete na ta. Agwe pe me awa total 4 hours, 5 hours. Iwa re video. Iwa raw. Anybody who will support Ohion Bano, Ohiamino, Rudawe, and Matano, Kumequala, Unze get bay. No sense. A boy I celebrated. Kumequala, Commissioner Wave of Masunu, Unu, Daniel Nayaka, Unaka, Unasunia. Na sunu yenia. Oh. Yere ne na ina pe. Hell. Okay demande. E demande ya pe. E demande. Wọ́n pe no bo me ba na. O ba se ki yen mo no yo na we do a.
Gonje e matana. Video ete ya mosoto sokma tebe nu yagbon kiwe otele uzi no go
ya we no the people of here you need to drive that boy that bad brother that be committing atrocity committing terrorism leader need to drive that boy now he send people make they go disrupt our destiny. When Abad say he go join evil gang, Abad take police, they chase people wey put on for a year. But when the time come when go they use his brother, he can't go call his brother can't call Lucky back. For Germany, now his brother, make it no worry. Very soon, I valet again. I valet on my gear. A year. No man or all, they get the one way good. I get family when they all. There are good ones, there are bad ones. Who done it all? Sell out. Hey, when you want it, about when I will work, I will, yeah. When I will wear tag a year when about. When I will wear tag, when I put one of your twilight, when I will be police, Julia.
One, we don't like go kick you at that boy. Down, I'm your dad.
But I only want Basaki. Bona listen.
Where Emunane a Godwin, you. They are back phone. Why you tell me CD? What may be name CD Yari? Akion Basaki Bo, Gijeki, Yawe CD. Omono Bano, turn up where the whole House of Assembly members have been at dear boy. Naka me away, giving a gualimina, me away, near here now where when at that time, as at that time, I'm not being a governor there almost 8 months or say but maybe let's say over 6 months. Omamugie House of Assembly. At here, adjust until Omonobama Kedo the House of Assembly here all the 24 members. All the 24 members at that time it was 18 APC, 6 PDP.
Okay.
They all came and stood. Anatie the senator Urogide, Anatie Obede Hama, Anatie EJ Agwanyima, all of them to also come down.
Mona listen,
now make a presentation the audience hall of Monopower.
What am you?
Na ya akhiye Obaseki Bogi Yeke.
Awa,
Ekwe. Onaemi na tabi Yeke me. It is in my presence.
Awa.
Now, gele gele. Emi opano emieta. Where umugun atok be where agboro we will find a way to end this Ijo Benin dispute that Benin Ijo be do Ijo Eyahin. So now the yam senior Kegbe. And these are the people as at that time. Yeah, Mudia Finu Gegwa. Wahona no tire anything. Wahona Agboro
wa vote ye wa away for professor.
Now, Erion will not
Agboro oh pa Obaseki apa o tausari. Itango te ari ugane. O tausa o wa ko moni no delebe yari ma mioi. Ma wa mioi, ma wa mioi amune magwo wa amune charity. Na ya go wa amune charity. Only wa me for plafona. Yes, itai na we. No ya go we kabaka woke wa amune charity. No wa ya really ko ye. Omo no ma bia we koko yera. O ne do you say wa ke vote no wa gre do no wa gange mono. Ona ni me wa fi wo re wo we bie ne ehui. E no me ehui on la pe mi ne ga bati. Ni wo fi wo re obie de o ri wa bie e ba re na base. O wa bie o ma si pe de o ma we ni e am I home ni. O ma say 7 days ile le do yan fi le kwa ni. Cool. Mexico guy. Oh, yeah, Mexico are there abroad. Mexico are abroad. Even Mexico do clean over, man. Even Mexico won't wear you. Even Mexico, if you are there, not do cleaning, not paying $100. Yeah, ikba fine for yeah, fever $400. A penny. I do a cleaning. Keep make a family me ya na de bana cleaning. If I was out here, when Mexico we bono. When anybody in America take Mexico we bono. De Mexico.
When at that time, as at that time, I'm not being a governor there almost 8 months or say but maybe let's say over 6 months. Omamugie House of Assembly. At here, adjust.
Sago Basekina, Melene ye. Even a sagai. Wakame o shobule not here. Well, tell him what it Bujaroria. Make it come in. It will be like yes. In that time, Avule, et wa social media. Let's see. May not like social media, might say 3 years. Never even reach 3 years. Now only one page at the talk go see going to 50-something thousand followers. No, not 2 years, never reach 2 years when I open this page. It never reach. Because I felt they do for my Facebook. Ma when you are there, no you are there follower, no you have your password on, you have a follower plus the governor. Mona listen, what that we can no basically do. You want to see no you do.
Until Omonobama Kedo the House of Assembly here all the 24 members. All the 24 members at that time it was 18 APC, 6 PDP. They all came and stood. Anatie the senator Urogide, Anatie Obede Hama, Anatie EJ Agwanyima, all of them to also come down and then now make the presentation the audience hall ogo monopower the go na ya akhiye Obaseki Obogi Yeke. That is one. Ona emi na tabi Yeke me, it is in my presence. Now we are gele emi opano emieta where umugun atok be edoka where agboro we will find a way to end this Ijo Benin dispute that Benin Ijo abi Edo Ijo Eyahin. So now the yam senior Kegbe, and these are the people as at that time. Yeah, Mudia Finu Gegwa, eme no tire anything. I go woman. I make my now. Area wina, area upo. Maybe in Guanaro Doni, and here do NDDC works or what area upo. I want my mind they were even NDDC, until I will do it cry at the way. Who put Obaseki who my way for I wear with you, who would have a ban on it. I could do Latin away a governor way, NDDC away. Be a super deck. I will book here or Banoli here. National Festival of Arts and Culture, NAFEST, Ahiauna. This Saturday, no, Akwena. In few minutes, a day I'll be one. Sanudazi. Governor has not released money for the state contingent.
Correct. I just want to clear that place. You hear that? After Nahiawu Edo Festival, now that you now see women in type, by very or chief of staff, or Riola, Awano, Igoni, Warote Yoba, or Central World Bank on a winner. Ige do FFA Lala World Bank. Cook the book. Ponzi scheme architect. Ponzi scheme architect. Do you hear me? You hear what I say? That is the message. Abati, if you don't see the governor now, you own a governor now. Go on. I say where you now. A Congo where you? Republic Democratic of Congo. Who were you? Who were you? 1 year plus I can wire the Egbe Congo. Egbe Congo made 3 years or Wagbana. October Wagba 3 years in Mainland, but who were 8 years? Okay, Wagba. Okay, 1.5 years. We are Liza. Obaseki na win the election dan. When here Moirano amigo. O é Moirano amigo. Every soon mete e gara wa vie ma wona. Ona ma seti ya vie ma Bamako. That way Obaseki he hated do. He hated do with passion. When I arrived me, Tawo Akiyole, he told me that he will talk to you, but Tawo refused to talk to you. There, Tawo was playing double game. He will allow you to be insulting me and be financing you. No problem. Me to be me, I will call him. He was financing you to be insulting me. Abi, go to a dog boy. I don't know what I got here. Umi Wagmo. Eravi you are what beravi you are. When not to go to a door, halfway, whatever. Yahweh, where is this person? Ja, one go any way, worry. Yamahama weboti, idiot. He was Halua Papa, he blocking a papa, one by one. I'm not lucky, I block it as a webber. So later, my people, no problem. Later, can't say pay. Can't wait. Yeah, celebrate.
What's a cup? Iyame Sabuja. The information was leaked to Amigo. And we're gonna go with Facebook. In I get the video. That was how I go. You not tie you out,
Sarah.
In my comment, close friends. God will bless all the people that pray for me.
Yes, so
God will bless all the people that stood by my beautiful wife.
yeah,
we lay. Yeah, Boko Haram. If you buy a get on somebody, if not time I report. If I didn't give my woman betray me, Abuja. Already, you know your father. If I didn't give my who. If I didn't wear no someone of your papa with their men. I want to hear more. I want to calm down.